Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a sentence completion quiz. Pause the video to read the tips. Question 1. The soldiers were instructed to dash restraint and handle the situation peacefully. The correct option is B. Exercise. The soldiers were instructed to exercise restraint and handle the situation peacefully. Question 2. Mother Teresa was one of the chief dash of women's rights. The correct option is C. Promoters. Mother Teresa was one of the chief promoters of women's rights. Question 3. The two sisters look so dash that it is difficult to tell one from the other. The correct option is B. Identical. The two sisters look so identical that it is difficult to tell one from the other. Question 4. His actions had dash pain and suffering on thousands of people. The correct option is C. Inflicted. His actions had inflicted pain and suffering on thousands of people. Question 5. He has good dash over the famous world languages. The correct option is A. Command. He has good command over the famous world languages. Question 6. Every day in the school, one period is dashed to games, sports, and physical exercise. The correct option is D. Dedicated. Every day in the school, one period is dedicated to games, sports, and physical exercise. Question 7. Some people dash themselves into believing that they are indispensable to the organization they work for. The correct option is B. Fool. Some people fool themselves into believing that they are indispensable to the organization they work for. Question 8. The truck was dashed the traffic and the policeman asked the driver to move off. The correct option is B. Obstructing. The truck was obstructing the traffic and the policeman asked the driver to move off. Question 9. For a few seconds, David was blinded by the powerful lights of the oncoming car. The correct option is A. Totally. For a few seconds, David was totally blinded by the powerful lights of the oncoming car. Question 10. The police have dashed a complaint against four persons. The correct option is B. Lodged. The police have lodged a complaint against four persons. Question 11. He is too dash to be deceived easily. The correct option is C. Intelligent. He is too intelligent to be deceived easily. Question 12. The propeller-driven fighter planes of the Second World War have long been completely dash. The correct option is B. Obsolete. Question 13. I will be leaving for Amsterdam tonight and dash to return by this weekend. The correct option is C. Plan. Question 14. His behavior is worthy of dash by all the youngsters. The correct option is A. Emulation. Question 15. The presence of their teacher dash the chit-chat of the girls in the canteen. The correct option is A. Interrupted. Question 16. The accused dash to the judges for mercy. The correct option is C. Appealed. The accused appealed to the judge for mercy. Question 17. Successful people are genuinely very efficient in getting their tasks dash. The correct option is A. Accomplished. Question 18. Frosts on the whole are less dash to food damage. The correct option is B. Vulnerable. Frosts on the whole are less vulnerable to food damage. Question 19. His logic dash everyone, including the experts. The correct option is A. Confused. Question 20. The villagers dashed the death of their leader by keeping all the shops closed. The correct option is B. Mourned. Question 21. These medicines are dash for curing cold. The correct option is D. Effective. Question 22. After discussing the matter for about an hour, the committee dash without having reached any decision. The correct option is C. Adjourned. Question 23. The unruly behavior of the students dash their teacher. The correct option is B. Incensed. Question 24. Even in today's modern world, people dash scientists to find solutions for climate change. The correct option is C. Appeal. Question 25. His companions prevailed upon him not to dash to violence. The correct option is D. Resort. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.